is the one, because these zones, they are very close to, they are close, very, very close to each other. So our context, number one, value area high here, price is trading above the value area high, one, value area high. Then number two, we want to see our arrow. Here is our arrow. Our arrow, this is the candle here. Price trades above this candle that is responsible for this arrow. Price closes outside, it pulls back. We short. Yet again, it sells to the downside, and then we come again, price trades below value area low. We get our indicator here. It gives us this zone here. Price trades below it. It closes outside. We wait, and then we want price to come back and close above this level. When price closes above this level, we can buy our stop loss just at the center point here, just below the center point, and then we hold up until TP1 can be this one, and then TP2 can be this one, because price is likely to react at this value area high. So price buys and it comes back again. It goes back above. It gives us another setup. Our candle, value area low, our zone. We buy. It closes here. We can buy again. Our target here has been met, our TP1. Same thing. But on this one, we have got an arrow. It just taps into our zone. It doesn't tap into our value area low, but it is within the context. But anyway, we wait for this value area low to be tapped, and then price taps to the other side again. Here, we've got our arrow, but it's above the value area high. We've got our arrow. Price broke out, but it didn't close back into this range. So we can't target this range. We wait up until price closes below this range. We wait, and then price continues to do whatever it does. We come here, we get our arrow, boom, our value area high. Yes, price is in our premium, and then we're waiting for price to tap into our zone. Price just taps into the zone and it runs away because it is at the extreme discount, at the extreme premium level, and it just sells to the downside. Now, just because you're above the value area high, most of the times, if price reclaims this value area high, it has to go and tap this value area low. They just interchange. So if you manage to get this trade, you would literally have an idea that price is going to tap below here. We get another arrow, signal bar. We have our value area low. Our zone has been tapped. Price closes outside the zone. Then we get our pullback, and then we buy again to this zone. We hold. Our take profit has been hit. Yet again, we come here, but it's the end of the day. I don't like this type of trades, as I've mentioned before, but it also fits the criteria. Value area high, our zone here, we've got a status soup here, we are violated. When the day opens, it's above this value area high, we can sell to this zone. And this one, we leave it. This one for yesterday, yeah. This candle, there was no total soup here. Here, there was no rate of liquidity. And then price pushed to our value area high here, our value area high. And then we get a displacement. Why? Because we wanted to raid this one first. So we raided these early sellers. We traded into our value area high. We had this context that price had already traded into a higher key level. So there was a likelihood of a continuation, and then price that's short to the downside. Any questions? Because I'm running out of time. You can open your mics and ask the question. For the boom 1000, I'm still working on the settings, because what I don't have at the moment are the zones for the boom 1000 and the crash 1000. The boom and crash, we still don't have the settings as for now. So I'm still testing which one could be close, because the closest would be to use the cryptocurrency ones. But the zones, they are too close to each other. But then if you use that criteria, it can work. But I think by the end of the day today, I will be done testing for the boom and crash, and then I'll send them to you. Any more questions?
What are the zone settings for gold?
Yabo?
What are the zone settings for gold?
For gold, we are using the gold tester. Gold tester is by default using gold levels, zone 1 and gold 1 and zone 1. Those are the ones that we're using for
Okay.
the what for. Okay, and then for these black levels, the ones that are using black levels, I want to show you a very good secret. I think I'm running out of time, but I just want to show you something that is very, very interesting. If you want to catch sniper entries, let's go to gold, right? Let me remove these under indicators. Let's remove this one and this one and this one. We want to remain only with the black levels. So I want you to notice something. The most powerful level is this level number 2, this one. This level is very powerful. So if you take note, we have a level 1, and this is the candle that is responsible for level 2. You just set your limit on level 2 on 1 hour time frame, M30, on H2 or H4, whatever time frame that you get. This level 2 is the most powerful. If you have level 1 and price, you have done all the nonsense that it has done, and you see a level 2, just go and place your limit, especially if it's going to be M30 or H1 or H2 or whatever. Let's see on H1 on gold. The same thing. This one is a good example. You see this candle that gives us a level 2. It was an H2 candle. This one is, I want to show you that it's different from the one that is on level 1, on H1. Look on H1, the candle that gives us level 2. It's at the exact same price level as the one that gives us level 2 on on H2. Then let's go to M30 and see if M30 was giving us level 6, which was different from the one that we got from H1, but they were also confirming the same thing, that we're just having the same directional bias. This levels indicator is called black levels. So it's the one that I usually use for entries, because if the price hits a key level, let's say it hits a zone to zone, I want it to have level 1 on M15. If it gives me in level 2 on M15, I go full margin, because it reacts. It doesn't miss with 1 pip. If it's on M15, it's just 1 pip. So if you're putting a limit order and you see it on M15, if you're trading synthetic indices, you make sure, if maybe let's say it's 22.35, maybe this level is 22.35, you just put your entry on 22.36 by 1 pip, so that it can be triggered. Any more questions? Did it make sense? Because I'm left with 1 minute.
Just a quick one, Innocent.
No, yeah.
Yeah.
So
So on this black levels, no? So
Yes.
the best entry is on H1, H2, or H4.
It's on M15, M30, H1, H2, H4. M15, M30, or even M5, depending on the context. On M5, you need maybe at least level 3.
Oh, okay.
But
So
on
where can we
M15, M30, H1 going up, MH is the second one, because it would have confirmed a direction, and it usually explains